Welcome to Taiwandering with Jason. Today, we're going to talk about Saturday morning cartoons. Now, what was your favorite cartoon when you were a kid? For me, I would say Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. You know them. Leonardo, Raphael, Michelangelo, Donatello. Now, out of those four turtles, who was your favorite? My favorite was Raphael because he was the most sarcastic of the bunch. But the turtle who I connected with the best was Donatello because he was kind of the brainy, nerdy guy, and that was me when I was growing up, although some people might say still now. But even better than the cartoon was the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles arcade game. Oh my gosh, I remember going to the bowling alley and playing this game with my brother. One thing about it though was it was extremely difficult. It just kept eating quarters because they wanted to make money. I thought it would be my lifelong dream to someday own the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles game. And last year, it became a reality. There's a company called Arcade 1-Up, and they sell smaller versions of the arcade, and I bought one. And I'm gonna show it to you guys right now. So this baby here, I love this thing. This is the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles arcade game. I'm going to Taiwan and it's not going to fit in the overhead compartment at the on the airplane, so I decided to give this to my good friend Garon. We were going to move this game and take it over to his house right now.
What's that guy eating? You see him? What's he eating? What is that? Pizza.
What's that?
That's April O'Neil. Does she look nice? You want to see all this? Look at all these. Look at all these. You go like this and push the button.
What is somebody up here?
There's a guy up here? What are these?
Things.
Buttons?
What's
You want
it?
to push one?
You know they know karate?
It says attack. Just like Kung Fu Panda. Your
Yep.
favorite movie.
Pivot. Pivot. Nice. See, now it's gonna get through that little lip. Hey, Ev. Here it is, Ev. Here it is. Coming at you.
It is heavy.
It's a little heavy. It's a little heavy. Whoa. Cool.
Ooh,
Cool.
that's cool.
There it is.
All right, so we're going to play the first game here at Garon's house. I think I'm going to go with Michelangelo, and Garon will go with Raphael.
Check it out. Check it out, lady.
So remember, if you hit both buttons at the same time, it does a
Special move. What do you think, Ab? You see it? Whoa! Got him. Ready? Watch. I'm gonna take that. That's shredder. Which color do you like? Red? Purple? Yellow?
Purple.
Or blue? That's the one you want. Donatello. Oh boy.
So nice.
That's so nice.
And wobbles.
And wobbles.
This one. This one. This one.
How many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, wow. Let's try it again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 controllers. Wow.
And these buttons.
Lots of buttons.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Ooh. Get him. Get him. Yeah, push that. Push, 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 push. We're gonna need a little work on this game. That's all right.
Well, folks, that is today's episode of Taiwandering with Jason. If you enjoyed it, make sure that you hit the like, subscribe, and punch that notification bell to be notified of future episodes. And remember, not all those who wander are lost. See you later. 再见. Bye-bye.